Hello YouTube, I'm EddieV and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing how to install these cheap Chinese LED lights in a 2012 Mazda 3 Skyactiv 2.0. Let me open up the package and tell you what we're working with. So here is the LED lights, and then they have the wireless remote control that you use on your app. I already have some, honestly. I already have some just in case tape, because these do fall off. But anyway, I already have some. I have some. I'll show you. I like this light that I got. I got some underneath here on each side, and I got some underneath here as well that I need to honestly redo because they have worn out a bit. I just got to redo because they're coming off. I got to redo where I'm putting the lights. So in order to do this, first thing I'm going to do is figure out how all this wiring works. So I'm going to be showing you step by step of what I'm actually doing. Okay guys, so my old LED light, it does kind of look ugly, but let me tell you this, it's not bad because, well, let's just say it never came off. So, but I was able to run the wire underneath. I'll show you where my power supply all is. This is my charger, honestly. So I just leave it here, and whenever I need a charger for my Bluetooth, that's what I use. You cannot see really this duct tape craziness all that much. It really doesn't annoy me. It's not actually bad. But yeah, it's gonna be time to figure out all the wiring. Now I gotta go on the other side. I made sure that side is all well connected. So yeah, time to go do it on this side, because this one fell out way before, and I got to figure out how to reconnect it all back. And I got to run my wires a little differently for the radar detector right here as well. All right guys, so I installed the lights. I installed one down here and down there. One is installed down there, installed down there, and down there. It has to cure a little bit. I put some glue because the 3M tape on the side here doesn't really work, but I installed it on every single door and stuff like that, and it's all controlled by an app. So it's all glued. I just gotta wait until it cures. Got it all fixed. I got the see, and I'm even charging my flashlight here already. So one down there, and then one down over here underneath, down there. So the radar detector is even all powered down here, so really no clutter except in the back. I either use tape or glue, so it doesn't actually look too bad, honestly. To turn everything off, I'm just gonna pull this one out right here. Just pull it out, everything turns off. Pull it back in, everything turns on. Perfect, you know. And literally the very smart way I did it. So now I'm going to show you guys how the app actually works. Okay guys, so everything is fully dark. As you can see, this is what it looks like all around over here, around my feet area. And I'm using a happy lighting app. I'm gonna make it brighter right now. There you go. As you can see, I'm changing colors by just touching them, and I'm controlling the brightness down here as well. So boom, as you can see that. For the other lighting, guys, you need it down here. That's for the other one. As you can see, I'm controlling it. And yeah, same thing. So boom, my car is full of lights. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys how well it looks and everything. Just gonna turn off the lights here for you, and then you guys can see how well everything is. All nice and bright as you sit. all well lit up. This is a legit car. So yeah, that's how it's done. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video. I'm your host, EddieV. Go ahead, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and don't forget to support me on Patreon and Cash App as well, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. But guys, I'm just gonna share a quick note here. It's less than 60 seconds. These LED kits are really worth it. I know they're Chinese and like they're cheap, but they do, honestly, they do really work. I keep buying them. I'm gonna put them on my semi truck as well. So yeah guys, worth it. And alright guys, that's it for the video, and I'll see you next time. Not canceled. Guys, I'm EddieV. 2064 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.